Hey guys, it's me, Samaya James, and this is my very first YouTube video, and it is about slime. I really love slime so much. I made the slime a couple days ago, and it's still fresh because I kept it in a little container. And if we get this video to 100 likes, I'll make another video like this. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to tap that bell so you never miss a video like this one. And yeah, so don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day. Bye.